Welcome to One Visa Immigration Consultants, your key to obtaining an EntrePass in Singapore. We are dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and business owners achieve their migration goals with ease. The EntrePass is a visa type offered by the Ministry of Manpower that is designed for foreign entrepreneurs who want to start a business in Singapore. To be eligible for an EntrePass, your business must either be venture-backed or own innovative technologies. In addition, you must meet one of these criteria. You have founded or sold a tech company, raised significant funding, holding an intellectual property, being incubated by an internationally renowned incubator, having research collaborations, possessing a substantial business network, or having an investment track record. At One Visa, we understand the difficulty in securing an EntrePass, especially when you need to prepare a highly customized business plan to meet the strict criteria. Our experienced consultants have over 10 years of expertise in helping hundreds of entrepreneurs in achieving their immigration goals. We have the in-depth knowledge of the immigration policies and procedures to guide you in every step of the way. Contact us today for a free eligibility assessment at www.one-visa.com. Let us help you move to Singapore with ease.